Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 Cabriolet 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray Metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you AMG body styling in the exterior and interior, diamond style grille, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Saddle brown leather interior. Coming around back. C300 4MATIC badging. This one does come with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, lane keep assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, our driver's assistance functions, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display. This one does have sport suspension. We've got a dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This C cab has 17,520 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.